Be reviewing this level. It's really nice. I've actually used these before, but I like this one. It's very well made and durable. I like the ruler on this side. My husband has actually used it. He won't even let me take the plastic off because he swears that the kids are going to drop it or try to play with it. But it's very well made. This is actually the second one that we've purchased from this company. I got the first one for free, and then we purchased a second one so that he could take it to work. But overall, it's really handy for hanging picture frames, posters, etc., around the house. We really like this. It's very helpful. I have really bad coordination, so usually when he's hanging things, he asks me to step back and take a look to see if it's straight, and I always get it wrong. So it's very nice to have this. Overall, I'm very pleased with this product, and I highly recommend it.